Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name's Jess and today I will be talking to you about Apple CarPlay and the benefits of this system to you as an Audi customer. So if we enter the vehicle, the Apple CarPlay system is great for those cars that don't already feature navigation or similar systems, so no navigation is now no problem. So when you are in the vehicle and the engine is switched on, you then need to connect your phone to the vehicle via the USB charging access points found in the centre of the vehicle's console. So if you plug your phone into the charger and then plug the other end in. So we've connected an iPhone to the MMI. Do you want to use the functions? So we want to use Apple CarPlay today. And yes, we agree to the data transfer. This will allow you to use all of your phone's benefits. So now when we go into phone apps, Apple CarPlay is now there. So now you can use the new Apple CarPlay screen instead of the vehicle's MMI. So when your car is connected to your phone via the Apple CarPlay and you are ready to drive, you can safely put your phone away and carry on with your journey. Let's go through some of the great features of using Apple CarPlay. So when you are greeted with the Apple CarPlay home screen, you can then use lots of different features usually only found on your mobile phone. One of the fantastic features is you can now use your maps and navigation directly onto your car's screen. So if we say, "Hey Siri, direct me to Stoke Audi."
Getting directions to Stoke Audi.
You can then just click go and your navigation will start. Another great feature is you can use your calendar settings so you can see appointments and different places you need to be whilst on the go. You can also access Spotify and different Apple Music and different streaming services directly from your car. Another great feature is you can now safely answer calls and text via Apple CarPlay. Okay, so now we have shown you how you can easily answer calls. Texting people is also easier than ever. So if we go into messages, select the text recipient.
What do you want to say?
What time will you be there?
Your message to Ben says, "What time will you be there?" Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
So as you can see, it's extremely easy to send text messages, and you can also use WhatsApp in the same way. When you are using Apple CarPlay and using important features such as maps, but you don't want to be disturbed by text messages or incoming phone calls, you can go into settings and turn on Do Not Disturb whilst driving, as so. So thank you for watching this video about how to use the Apple CarPlay system. For any more information about using the system or about your Audi car, please give the team here at Stoke Audi a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.